Hello everyone, and welcome to another video from the Developers Fun. Today we are going to have a discussion on working with Git. Let's take an example of a calculator project, where 4 team members are working in parallel. Bill, Alex, Max, and Robert. Ani manages the development of Project Calculator. He created the repository on GitHub to achieve the code versioning and parallel development and initialize the base branch as master. A repository is the project created in Git. To add the code to the initial repository, we need to clone the repository, add the code to the repository, commit the changes with the message, and push the code. A branch is an imaginary route of links on which code is updated. It maintains the change history for easy rollback. Branching helps when multiple developers are working on different features in parallel. A baseline is a main branch, which contains the production-ready code. The baseline is the only source of truth for the code, at any given point of time. The baseline for our calculator project is the master branch. Any code addition or update pushed to the code branch is known as commit. The code committed is ready to be pushed to the repository. Unless you push the code, the changes will only be present in your local system. Our manager Adi has already pushed the initial version of code on the master branch with stubs for the features: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Stubs are the empty method definitions. Bill is working on the feature addition. Alex is working on the feature subtraction. Max is working on the feature multiplication. And Robert is working on the feature division, on their respective branches. Bill has completed the addition feature and followed the best practices. But he should not merge his code directly to master. He should fetch, pull, resolve any conflict, and commit and push his code to the branch. But how will this feature get added to the baseline? For that, Bill should rebase his branch with the current master branch, resolve any merge commits, push the merged feature branch, and raise a pull request. What if we don't follow these many steps? Suppose Alex pushes and merges her code with the baseline without first pulling from it. What happens now? The addition feature in Alex's branch is just a stub and the feature on the baseline is already merged. Since the change is on the same code, Git will replace the complete feature with newly pushed stub. What a mess! This gives us some of the best practices for using Git. Don't Git push straight to the baseline. Use branching. Configure the commit authorship. This helps in knowing the change and commit metadata. Write descriptive and meaningful commit messages. Commit only related work, not generated files. Rebase your working branch frequently. Some of the best source code managers include GitHub, Google Cloud Source Repositories, SourceForge, Launchpad, GitLab, and Bitbucket. To know more, you can go to the mentioned source. You can find the link in the description. Here are some of the commonly used Git commands if you are using Git CLI. To know more, you can go to the mentioned source. You can find the link in the description. We have reached till the end of the video with this. Thank you. You can post your questions in the comment box below. Fun fact, our manager and sponsor of this video, Adi, is a Formula 1 racer. He's available on YouTube as LostCrisp13. You can check out his channel too. Please like, share and subscribe if you like our content. This motivates us in bringing more to you.